Good morning, beautiful people, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. All right, y'all, so for today's topic of discussion, what is my favorite season or seasons? So this topic is not going to be too long, but there is another part of the video that I'll be discussing after I discuss my favorite season, so stay tuned for that. My first favorite season has got to be summer. So summer has been my favorite season all of my life. There are a few reasons why summer is just an amazing season. Numero uno, I mean, the sun just literally being outside. The weather is so beautiful. You get to do so many things out in the sun that you can't do in the fall and winter. Like, for example, if you wanted to go to the lake or if you wanted to go to the pool, all that kind of nice fun stuff, or any other big activities that require you being out in the beautiful sun, you can do that in the summer. Also, another very big reason why I love summer is summer vacation. Y'all, I mean, that's when basically all school is out and you get to have summer vacation all to yourself, unless you are in college and you have the opportunity to take summer courses and all that. But still, nevertheless, I mean, it's summer vacation. It's your time to relax. It's not and no one else's time. It's your time to relax. Also, another reason why summer is my favorite season is because I was born in the summer. You know, birthdays are always so enjoyable in the summer. You could do so many things on your birthday in the summer. So, you know, summer is just a top tier season. One con that I will say is definitely the heat. Sometimes the heat can genuinely be very unbearable, and I'm just like, girl, why is the heat doing this to me? It's awful. Okay, it's just genuinely awful. Those are my top reasons why summer is my favorite season. My second favorite season that I love so much is spring. So it's like summer, but it's not summer at the exact same time. You get to basically see, you know, all the leaves on the trees grow back from, you know, fall season, and you get to see all the flowers bloom, and you get to have that hot temperatures coming back a little bit and a little bit and a little bit and a little bit, and that's just what makes spring so enjoyable. So yeah, and you know, literally just having that fresh taste of hot weather again, because since I grew up in Texas, I literally love hot weather. Like, I love hot weather so much. So, you know, just kind of giving you a taste of the hot weather again, the leaves growing back onto the trees, and just the flowers blooming. It's just such an amazing feeling to have when spring hits. So yeah, that is my second favorite season. What is up, my beautiful people? I'm sorry for the little interruption into this video, but I am actually going to be redoing the second half of this video where I basically explain to you guys my summer 2023 content plans to you all. So I know that I already said like what content plans I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but I pretty sure for one of the topics that I did say, I decided that topic was probably not going to be best for this summer. So I basically decided to switch it to a different topic, and that was really it. So I wanted to kind of make it simplistic for you guys in this little clip. So the first topic that I will be introducing to you guys this summer, the kind of new videos that you should expect to see from me, is going to be maintenance videos. So what maintenance videos is that there's maintenance can mean so many things, but for me with maintenance, usually it's more collided with doing, you know, nails maintenance, hair maintenance, skin maintenance, but for me it's really going to be nails and hair at times. So those are really the kind of maintenance videos that you should expect from me. Another type of videos that I'll be introducing to you guys as well will be tumbling videos. So I was kind of adamant about introducing this topic because I just did not think that people would enjoy tumbling videos, you know, like acrobatics and all of that, but it is a passion of mine that I love to do. It is a hobby that I want to start back up again because I did it many years ago. And yeah, so those are the two topics that I am going to be introducing to you guys. And yeah, so sorry that this was kind of like a little interruption, but let's hop right back. Oh my goodness, I can't say stuff right. Let's hop right back into the video. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that y'all have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.